Hello everyone and welcome back to FunMathology. Today's topic is multiplication of two-digit numbers ending in 5. I think if you remember in the last class or in the particular lecture where we have discussed multiplication of two-digit numbers. So you have seen certain steps that you need to follow to do the multiplications in your mind. So that was the part of Vedic math or mental math. So whatever you have to do in your mind. So in the very similar case, we have taken today is a part of mental math or Vedic math. So this is multiplication of two-digit numbers that are ending in 5. So if you get such a scenario or such a question, so you can easily do it in your brain or in your mind. So you don't have to take a piece of paper and pen to finish these multiplications. So let's see, but first of all, you need some practice for 5 to 6 days and you have to know the rules. So once you know the rules and you practice a lot, then you know you don't need a pen and paper. So you can do it in your mind. So let's go through the rules. First of all, I think you noticed that I have taken few multiplication cases here in your screen. It is visible. See, each and every number, it ends in 5, right? 55 and 65, 25 and 45, 35, 55 and so on and so forth. But let us study the rule and we'll do these one by one. So in rule number 1, if both the tens place digits are even, then the multiplication ends in 25, right? So if both the tens place digits are even, then the multiplication ends in 25. So go ahead and examine, the tens place digits. So let's say this one, the first scenario. So this is, are they even? No. So let's leave it. Go to the next case. So are they even? Yes, they are even. So the multiplication will definitely end in 25. So let us write 25. Got it? If both the tens place digits are odd, then the multiplication also ends in 25. So let us find out. Yes, see, this is odd and this is odd in the tens place, right? So here also the multiplication ends in 25. So we'll write 25. Got it? But if one of the tens place digit is odd and the other is even, then the multiplication definitely ends in 75 and not 25. So here is the case. See, so this one is odd and this one is even. So this one will end in 75. Got it? So we'll see these cases. These are different cases, right? It's clear to you. So this is 2 digits and 3 digits. So you might ask me, but you have said you will be multiplying 2 digits number. So we'll come one by one. So let's first of all solve the multiplication of 2 digit ending in 5. Then we'll move on to these special sections. Got it? So we'll write 75 here. Why? We have seen in the rule 3, 25 and 25 here and here. Why? We have seen in rule 1 and rule 2. Now, this is the main section. Rule 4. What we will do multiplication of the tens place digits. So let's take the first scenario. So this is 5 and this is 6. Alright? So if I multiply, so we'll multiply this one. So this is 5 multiplied by 6 is 30. Right? Next, find out their average. So 5 plus 6 is 11 divided by 2 is 5.5. So leave the decimal if any. So you have a decimal of 0.5, leave it. Take 5. Got it? So multiplication of 5 and 6 is 30. Take 5 as the average. Add them up. It comes as 30 plus 5 is 35. So 35. So the end result is 3575. Let's come to the second case. See, we have already written 25. Now, what are the digits in the tens place? In the tens place, we have 2 and 4, right? So go ahead, do the same. In the rule 5, multiply them. So 4 multiplied by 2 is 8. Right? Find out their average. So 4 plus 2 is 6. So 6 plus 6 divided by 2 is 3. So if we add those two end results, it yields to 11. Write down 11 here. So 1125 will be the result. So let us find out this one also. So 5 into 3 is 15. 5 plus 3 is 8, divided by 2 is 4 as the average. If I add them up, then it will come 1925. Got it? So it's very easy. So if you practice them every day, taking few samples, okay, you will be able to do in your mind later on. You don't need a pen and paper. So if you see such kind of numbers, you will be able to do mentally. So let's come to this situation. So this is a 2-digit number, right? While this is a 3-digit number. Can we apply this rule? Let's see. Yes, we can apply. So here, see, in the, let's say in front of 5 means the ones place, there is 12. And in front of 5 here, in the second number, there is 7, right? So one of them is even and the other is odd. So we have seen if one of the tens place digit is odd and the other is even, then the multiplication ends in 75. So we'll go ahead and write 75, right? So now do the same thing in rule 4. Multiply this. So 12 into 7 is what? 84. Now 12 plus 7 is 19, divided by 2 is what? 8.5, take 8. So 84 plus 9 is what? Is 93. Got it? So same way we'll do this one. So we have 4 here and 16 here. So both are even. Now if both are even, then we know that it ends in 25 and apply the same rule. So multiply 4 into 16, that is 64, and 4 plus 16 is 20, divided by 2 is 10, so add 10 with it. So if you add 64 and 10, that comes 74. So its result is 7425. Okay, so this is the basic rule of multiplication of 2-digit numbers ending in 5. So I have shown you some samples and I have shown you some rules. So go ahead and practice this rule every day whenever you get time. With a hard practice of 6 to 7 days, I can tell you that you can do these multiplication easily in your mind. So that will be a part of a mental exercise every day that you can do. Okay, so thanks students, thanks for watching. Have a great day. We'll soon meet. Bye bye.